Welcome back to the laptop repair channel. Today there is a computer with no display condition. I will turn it on first. Okay, there is no display on the LCD screen. And even if the numlock button is pressed, the indicator light does not light up. This means the computer is in a no display state. So, what are the causes of no display? It can be various things, starting from RAM, graphic card, processor, and motherboard. What the first step to address this issue? Don't skip the video, as I will be analyzing it. First, let's start with the AC part, cleaning the RAM. You can use a pencil eraser to clean the RAM. Just rub the brush lights. Once installed, let's try turning on the computer. Okay, the result is still no display. Second, we replace the RAM, making sure the replacement RAM was the same. And it still did not work. This means the problem is not with the RAM. Third, we remove the graphic card. Oh yeah, this computer does not use a graphic card, so I will just skip it. Fourth, I replace the motherboard. Why the motherboard first and not the processor? Because the processor rarely breaks down, whereas I often encounter damage to the motherboard, so we start with the motherboard first. Okay, provide a normal motherboard, then move the processor, fan, and RAM that we removed earlier. I will put it together for a bit. It is ready, so let's try turning on the computer. Great! Now there is a display on the LCD monitor, which means the motherboard is definitely damaged. All we have to do is configure the BIOS setting and make the SSD portable. Congratulations, we have fixed the no display computer. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.